The Earth is around 4.5 billion years old, and somehow the Pyrenees were already here, long before us, and long after we're gone. If we compare our time here to theirs, we're just a brief flicker, like a footprint in snow that melts before anyone sees it. There's a kind of silence here that's not empty. It's full of presence, and it changes you, quietly but deeply. The Pyrenees are alive, always shifting, always breathing, and somehow they change us too. But we don't need to change them.